What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are here at Panama City Beach trying out their slingshot. And we're not just trying it out, we're climbing it. And here we are in the center of the tower, looking straight up 200 feet. All right, so here we are on the ladder. We're all tied off and everything, and that's gonna be a climb. Big one. Well, as of right now, we're about halfway up the tower. Still got a little ways to go. So this place is absolutely beautiful. I mean, the beach is literally maybe 1,000 feet away from the towers. Gorgeous blue skies, light breeze. It's a great day here in Panama City Beach, Florida. They say to trust your equipment, and I'm trusting mine. Got positioning lanyard, tie-offs and everything. We safe. Alright, so this, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call riding the bull. We're about 3/4 of the way up the tower right now. Spring box is loading tension. You can see the cables right there. Getting tight. In just a second, this thing is going to take off. We're going to have a little fun. Can already feel the tower swaying. And here we go. That's pretty cool. You can see the whole tower is shaking right now. What a ride. Woo! Now we're gonna get up to the very top, do it all again. And here we are. We have reached the summit. 200 feet. Gorgeous views. So yeah, here we are hanging out at the very top of the Panama City Beach Slingshot. Gorgeous, gorgeous day, gorgeous views. And now we're gonna do the riding of the bull from the very top. Let's do this. baby. The lady's singing. The little girl is having fun. She's screaming. This lady over here on this side, she's like, "Ah!" So this Vomitron goes somewhere upwards, I believe 60, like 50, 60 miles an hour. I have to actually go check it. I want to make sure.